What's up, guys?
I thought I'd take it.
Hey guys. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing Veronica how to make a planet.
I'm super excited. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get to it.
Woo! Alright, we're live. Okay, first you're gonna start with your pink. So you're gonna wash mine first. You're gonna mark it. So
That's
do
it? Okay. On the side only? Oh.
Okay. You're just gonna move yours. Now we're gonna do pink in the middle. Good. Yellow. Bam. And then two.
Oh.
And where you want.
Oh, okay. Good. Let's do good.
Then we'll get baby blue.
Am I doing that right?
Mm-hmm.
I already lost my thing. My mic.
It's okay. Baby blue. And then white. All around.
Are you okay, bunny?
Yeah. Alright, next, you're gonna get your paper, crumple it up, and place it over. Place it over the whole thing.
That's good. Wait.
Just like that. And then lift up.
Oh. Hey, you're getting more.
You might need some clear because the paint might have dried on us.
I want it that way?
No, you can have it. You like
more,
it?
More. Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, now we're just gonna not use black, but navy blue, slightly. Just a little bit at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna do just a tiny bit up top. This is white. Just gonna do a little bit up here. Just a little bit to the side. Okay, just like that. And just for a little added touch, I'm gonna do this real quick. So, that's not very simple. Okay, then you're gonna get your object and place it over.
Anyway?
So just kind of on where we painted. So right there.
Okay.
Great. Next, we are going to just cover it. Cover it with glue.
Cover it.
Yeah, just around. You use black. You basically do any colors you want. Yeah, you're dripping because your finger can sometimes cover it. Add a little black in it, then we'll do pink.
Okay.
We'll do pink. And cover it one more time. Yellow.
Okay. Ooh.
Yellow.
You're not breathing as much? Okay.
Okay, and then a little bit of black again. And this time it's just gonna cover it a little bit on the edges. Why it's shooting like that?
Because of the wind.
tiny bit. Don't overblack it.
Okay.
Alright, and then we get to white.
Okay.
And we're just gonna spray it on your finger. Middle finger. Flick. Okay. Gently put it on. So the first flick, so spray it on your side. You're going to just go and then flick, because then you'll get too much of the white. There you go. Just like that. Bam.
Okay.
Alright, and what did I tell you about picking it up? We're both gonna do the reveal.
Ariana Grande.
Okay. Okay, and then go.
Woo!
Look at that.
Okay.
And like I said, don't forget to sign it. Let's get our palette knife. So this H is mine.
How do you do this? It's not.
Oh, it's probably because it's dry.
I know.
There we go, W. It's dry.
I'm going to put a mine.
No, it's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment on how good she did, or can she improve?
I'm funny.
Watching. So leave a comment who painted it better. Alright, for me it's gonna be a K, and for her it's gonna be a V. Just kidding. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment on who did it better. And keep on painting, guys, and stay awesome.
Woo, 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 woo.